Welcome to a new video with Mr. Math. Today's topic is probability. Russell surveyed 16 students at his school and found that 4 of them plan to take orchestra as their next elective. If Russell surveys 12 more students, how many of them are probably planning on taking orchestra as an elective based on past data? Okay. So we have that 4 of them plan to take orchestra. 4 of them is out of the 16. Okay, so we'll set up our proportion. We're interested in the people who like orchestra or who want to take orchestra out of the students that were surveyed, the total numbers of students. So if we set up a proportion, we can say that 4 of them plan to take orchestra, 4 of them, meaning 4 out of the 16. And if we survey 12 more students, in other words, if we take another 12 students, how many of them, right, out of the 12 would be interested in the orchestra as an elective? So we can set up a proportion as 4 over 16 equals x over 12. We can then cross multiply 16 times x. And then 4 times 12, 48. Solving for x, to undo multiplication by 16, we simply divide by 16. What I do to one side, I must do to the other. 16 divided by 16, of course, is 1. And 1 times x is itself x. 48 divided by 16, of course, is 3. And so we get 3 students. Now, the other technique would be this. If I know that 4 out of 16 like orchestra, and I reduce that, that's 1/4 of the students. So if I take 1/4 of 12, 1/4 of 12 students, that's the same as saying 1/4 times 12 over 1. 1 times 12 is 12, 4 times 1 is 4, and 12 divided by 4, of course, is 3. Again, 3 students. Thanks for watching today, and hope this video was helpful for you. And as always, we will see you next time.